How to cancel Amazon Prime Video subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel Amazon Prime Video subscription. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, you will simply need to head over to amazon.com. Make sure that you're logged in to the account in which you have your Amazon Prime Video. And after you're there, simply hover over your account. Make sure you're logged in first, then hover over your account. Then right here, you'll find memberships and subscriptions. Head over there, and right here, you should find your Amazon Prime Video subscription. So simply cancel your subscription from here and you're good to go. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.